Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, video and audio. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. In this edition, we check out a foldable laptop stand by the folks at RIWUCT, R-I-W-U-C-T. I bought this with my own cash recently, and it's under 20 bucks, which is a good deal, I think, for this laptop stand. Let's do a very short unboxing, and when I mean short, I mean short. This video is only 3 minutes long. This unit comes simply packaged, which is a plastic sleeve, and there it is flat. Now I'm going to show you it with 360 views, relatively good views, maybe 180-degree views. I apologize. So right here it is folded. Again, this is all aluminum with very nice padding to protect your laptop. Here it is deployed. Again, it's on my little stand that goes around and around. I was thinking about adding music, but I decided not to put some music, merry-go-round music. So again, I spared you folks out there. I have a MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. Yeah, that's a very nice laptop. I wanted to get it a nice stand. I was hunched over quite a bit working with my laptop, so I said, let's elevate it just like my desktop computer in the other room. Don't forget to check out my website, my photography website, JMMGARZA.com. I would greatly appreciate it. So there it is deployed in its full glory, my 16-inch MacBook Pro laptop. If I was shopping for a laptop stand, I would like some views like this, side views, close-ups, etc. So I'm going to share some views that I shot with my Lumix G85 camera. So here's a side view with the bottom of the laptop securely in place. It's not going to slip from here. And here's a tight shot. Again, you get a little bit of a rubbery material there to protect it and not scratch it. So here's that one arm. It's very sturdy. You have to really work it. Does not have any adjustments. Does not have a knurled knobs to say, tight or loose. It's just always going to be tight until it's not tight. So at this time, it's doing absolutely fantastic. Here's a side view. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. And ring the bell for future notifications. And please leave your kind and friendly suggestions and comments below. Muchas gracias. Hope you like this short, very short review of the RIWUCT, I hope I'm saying that right, R-I-W-U-C-T, foldable laptop stand. I really like it. Fits very snugly in my laptop case. From Fort Worth, Texas, this is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.